In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage notifications in Wrike. Keeping your notifications under control is essential if you want to stay focused without missing important updates. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to quickly access your notification settings inside Wrike and where to adjust what you receive, especially by email. First, make sure you're logged into your Wrike workspace and that you can see your main interface with your folders, projects, or tasks. At the top left of your screen, you'll see your profile icon. Depending on your setup, this might be your initials, a small profile picture, or a generic user icon. Move your cursor over to that area and click on the profile icon. This is where Wrike groups your personal settings and account-related options. After clicking the profile icon, a small menu will open. From this drop-down, you'll want to look for the option labeled Settings. This is usually listed along with items like your profile, account, or help options. Go ahead and click on Settings. This will take you to your main account settings page, where you can manage things like your profile details and, most importantly for this video, your email preferences. Once you're on the settings page, look for the section or tab called Email Preferences. This is the area dedicated specifically to how Wrike communicates with you via email. Click on Email Preferences to open it. You should now see options related to which updates and activities trigger an email notification, such as task changes, mentions, or status updates. From here, you'll want to move into the detailed notification controls. To do that, look for a link or tab that says Notification Settings. Click on Notification Settings to open the full list of notification options available to you. This is where you can really fine-tune your experience. On this page, you can review the different types of notifications Wrike can send and decide which ones are helpful and which ones you'd rather turn off. Take a moment to read through each option so you understand what kind of event it covers. As you make changes, think about your role and what information you actually need to see right away. When you're done adjusting your preferences, your changes are typically saved automatically, or you may see a save button to confirm them. And that's it. You've now reached the notification settings area in Wrike, where you can manage how and when you're notified, helping you keep your inbox and workspace